Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making this simple but tasty, budget-friendly, creamy vegetable curry. I'll start by warming 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll fry 1 finely diced red onion till soft. My onions are now soft and have a little colour. Under a very low heat, I'm going to add 3 cloves of minced garlic. Then I'll go in with 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Give that a good stir and let them cook out for a couple of minutes. Now I'm adding 1 heaped teaspoon of chilli powder. Next I'll go in with a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then in goes a heaped teaspoon of curry powder. And I'll go in with a half teaspoon of salt. And next I'll go in with 3 tablespoons of tomato passata. Next I'll go in with 8 fluid ounces of boiling water. Once all the water is added, I'll allow the sauce to cook out for 5 minutes. And next I'll stir in my frozen mixed vegetables. And here I've got some green beans that I'm adding, and I'll just break those in half. Turn the heat up and I'll coat the vegetables in the sauce. I'll leave that on a medium heat and allow the vegetables to cook out in the sauce. In this bowl I've got 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt at room temperature, and I'll stir in 1 teaspoon of plain flour. I've added the plain flour to the yogurt so it doesn't split the sauce. Now I've stirred the yogurt and flour together really well, I'll just add all that to my sauce and allow to cook out for a couple of minutes. I'll add a sprinkling of chili flakes. Once the vegetables are cooked, I'll check the seasoning and stir in a handful of chopped coriander before serving. And there it is, quick and simple, creamy vegetable curry. So good served with rice. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Drop me a comment and like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.